Hi there, I'm Julia, and in this video, I'll show you how I grew the number of verified followers on my Twitter account using a simple, smart method. You might already know this, but the more verified followers you have, the better your chances of earning higher revenue from Twitter. That's because verified users often bring more engagement, and Twitter's algorithm values that. So if you want to grow your reach, boost your credibility, and increase your monetization potential, here's exactly what I did with Circleboom Twitter. First, I went to Circleboom Twitter and opened the live smart search tool from the left-hand menu. From there, I typed in keywords like mutuals and follow back. Why? These are often used by people who are open to connecting and likely to follow back, especially within niche or growth-focused communities. Then I clicked on Filter Options, and this is where the magic happened. I selected the filter to only show verified users, those with a blue, gray, or gold checkmark. In seconds, I had a full list of verified Twitter accounts that were likely to follow me back. Next step, I used Circleboom's bulk follow option to follow these accounts with just one click. No manual work, no guessing, just results. Of course, not everyone follows back. So after a few days, I used Circleboom again to identify the accounts that didn't follow me back. Then I bulk unfollowed them, right there on the platform. I repeated this process a few times, and guess what? My verified follower count started climbing. And yes, my revenue improved. So if you're trying to grow with verified, active followers, this is the exact method I'd recommend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, or drop a comment.